Wow! Oh, what's this? Makes sense to me.
No way! We're strapped for time!
Like a walk in the park.
Your order.
Thanks.
Is my new home inside?
Ta-da! Flawless! The customer service is the worst. Wow! That's what I'm talking about.
Totally love it.
Which one is your favorite?
This one.
If you ask me, it's terrific. Let's add some gold. Done!
That's amazing.
This goes here. I guess this is it.
I want to be helpful.
Thanks. And my favorite color. Sweet.
Basic.
Kitty, I'll spice things up.
That's sick.
Their paws need a good wash.
Oopsies.
Now we're talking. Their paws are clean.
Meowsing.
No more scratching.
But I'm a predator.
The paws are safe.
Care to rub them?
You won't be shedding. The ears are clean. No fleas. You're gonna smell so good.
Thanks. You're so caring and thoughtful.
We'll have a happy life together. You're a pure miracle. Gosh, time. Okay, we don't need to panic.
You have to make it. If you care to save us.
How does that look? Fine. We don't have a lot of time.
We don't really enjoy you being at each other's necks. Yeah.
Shh.
Thanks.
They can never make it on time. Shh.
Just seeing things. A bite?
We can't have sugar.
Hold this.
Yummy.
We'll figure something out. Cute.
Looks like a teeny cushion.
That's actually brilliant. Ta-da!
Go with something else.
Oops. Could this be it?
Not my thing.
It almost worked out.
What about this?
Yeah, hold on. It needs a filling.
I wonder what she's doing.
Voila!
So comfy.
This cushion's a big hit.
It's cute.
It's stylish and comfy. I have my eyes on it. Today's the only day you can have it for just $200. Hey, is the bed for the kitty? Thanks a lot.
Over here. A meowsing.
What are you so sour about?
I'm hungry.
These are your bowls. They look basic.
Let's bedazzle it.
Exactly!
It's blinding! Some sleigh!
Time to eat.
Bon appetit!
You love me so much. I'm hungry too.
I'll give you something.
I mean, I can't have jewelry.
Ta-da! Dinner is served!
It's good.
Oh God! We failed to make it! No way! It's frozen! We'll have to figure something out! Stop! Sorry!
Wahaha! I knew for a fact you can't succeed.
Magic will help us.
What's the trick? Are your powers gone?
Now you don't have access to magic. Wahaha!
Hit the thumbs up so we can defeat the hunter!
And so we can have more time. Please, please, please!
There's literally nothing that can save you.
Save us!
You're doing it! We're getting there!
That's unfair.
Now go away! We still have time!
You're not gonna make it no matter what.
You're the best!
Thanks a bunch.
It's kinda dull.
More light is the answer. Right here.
Uh-huh.
Makes a difference!
I want that for myself.
Uh-huh.
Oh, it doesn't work.
I mean, why? There's no light! What do we do now? Magic might do it! So pretty!
Whoa!
Well, what's next? Claw sharpener! We're out of chips! Oh! Perfect!
Doesn't look like a sharpener to me.
We'll get it fixed!
And some decoration.
Fine by me!
Stunning. I need one of those.
What do I make with it? Okay!
That's unique.
Trust me!
Take that.
Thanks, sunshine! Marvelous!
Some cuteness.
We're basically done! Bringing in some memories!
It's so cozy now.
Spice up your house too! Thanks!
That's really pretty.
All we gotta do is pick toys! What do you think of this one?
Corny.
This one?
Nope.
Nothing's good enough! You can't make up your mind either!
Awesome. Order.
Wow! Nice customer service! Thanks!
We'll put it to the test.
Smile! Gotta take 5. Who switched the lights off?
Peekaboo.
Thanks! In the mood for chocolate! Bad timing! That'll make a top-notch toy! Looking great!
Awesome.
Can you believe it? Told you so.
The nicest place in the house. Hey, this is my spot. Is it? Come kick me out then. You ain't coming. What's going on?
Anyone has any clue why they're at each other's necks?
Your dog is obviously to blame.
No, your cat was at our spot.
We'll build houses and see who's cooler.
Deal. The audience will settle the feud.
Cool. Deal.
Do you guys fancy the pink style?
Or you root for manly black.
The guys will straighten things out.
You think cardboard's a good idea?
Cardboard is reusable.
What kind of house does my queen have her eyes on? What about this? Pass. This? Ugh, it doesn't do it for me. Huh? Yeah, perfect match. Now this is great.
Thanks for giving me a hand.
Anytime. What's next?
Let's add some color. Baby, this is for you.
Very well.
I'll kick things off.
We'll see how they go about this. Ooh, a snack! The show is on!
Hey, why is it here? How did that come to be?
Stay low-key.
Can't reach it.
Let's team up! Our house is top tier, isn't it? Why is it glowing? Because fish contain phosphorus, it glows. Light is not up our alley. Fair point. Black or purple? Should we use both? I'd love that. Make sure it's all dried up. Sure, owner.
I'd love to help Jade so it all gets dry ASAP.
Hey, what are you doing here?
I just wanted to help.
So, she loved it?
Not really. We'd better work on our house. This is where I need you to step in.
I can't wait.
Let's jump right into it. A construction dog is a truly remarkable thing to see. This is gonna be our decoration. Steady paws, lively paws.
Oliver, you're a marvel. Thanks.
In case your paws get tired after all, you'll have a spot to kick back.
If he isn't the best owner, I don't know who is.
I know the way to up your pet's nap game. A real comforter.
Whoa.
Sweet dreams, princess. Hey, Jade, we're in bad, you know.
Sleep is for the weak. I've got something better. I believe this household could use some rock and roll. Couldn't agree more. I wouldn't mind if my stuff was used for this cause. You can do the honors. Sure. Awesome. All we gotta do is play. The fish is ready to take over the ocean. It still misses some rock vibes. I've got an idea. I see.
Our house is gonna be to die for. Subscribe.
A tiny little mischief. Here comes the best part. This is it.
Okay, let's carry on. Huh? Where did my bracelet go? Baby, have you seen it?
Sorry, I got caught up in the moment.
I might want to ask Jade. I don't think it's worth it.
I have it. My precious. Parental approval is a must to get anything pierced. Oof, perfection knows no limit. Great sense of style. You bet.
Hold on. Where's my baby?
I sense it's around. Finally, found it. Hey, stay away from my food. Sorry, I'm famished. You can't snatch it away from me. Do your dogs and cats get along? Oliver!
There you are. Sorry, Jade.
I'm starving.
We can fix that. Dogs are not supposed to have cat food. It's cat food for a reason.
Sorry, it won't happen again.
It's okay. You'll have your own feeder. Give it a try.
Oliver, it's wonderful. How do you get upstairs? You tell me. What do you think is better, a ladder or a claw sharpener? A ladder looks like a sensible choice. Give it a go. It's a hard no. You're never happy with anything. I guess it's the claw sharpener after all. There. Question is, where do we put it? Over here. Now we're talking. Sharp claws are a must to play guitar. I suppose it's snack time. Sure, princess. Coming right up. Hey, where's your food? Fill it in. I've got paws. Bon appetit.
I don't want you to be bored ever again. You'll have your toy spot. Dogs must be swimming in toys.
Okay, we're ready to level up. What do you mean? Wait till you see. Can you solve puzzles like it's nothing? What's that all about? Give me a second. A house is supposed to have a yard. Solid. I can't see the bathroom though. Oops. Is it good? Unless for you.
Hey!
Oops, my bad. I suppose this should work. Absolutely. Take your time. My princess should have privacy.
The yard was a terrific idea. Oh.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. Too tired, but at the end of the day I made it. I wonder how Jade made it. All right, I'm doing great as it is. Ah! It's gonna work this time. Do not copy this on your own.
Oliver, I'm hooked. Well done.
Your happiness is my top priority. This is in case Jade feels like sending a letter.
You know, I'm not big on accepting letters from unwanted guests. Couldn't agree more. The house is all fenced up. Time to do music. More food? Gosh, that's not for food. Watch the magic of music closely. Whoa! I'd like to add something. Best decision I ever made. No way! This is not gonna fly. Oliver! This must be handled.
What's your suggestion?
A dance battle? Oh, we're big on dancing. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Are you kidding me?
It's a tie.
No way! Let's take it outside. We'll see who's better at commands. Sit. I don't care. You sit.
Sit, sweetie. Good girl.
This isn't over.
She's weird. Hey! Hold on. Where's...
Gotta be careful.
He could eat them. Pythons eat lizards, rodents, frogs, and birds.
I think you need your own place to live. You can hang out here for now. Does anyone know how to build a snake enclosure? I don't think he'll be too upset. Let the building begin. Halfway there. Ooh, this might come in handy. Fun fact, pythons range between 1.5 and 10 yards in length. That's why this needs to be so big. Hey, does anybody know how to make this fit? Thanks! I hope Oliver's doing better.
Hold on. Where are you going?
This looks rough. I'm gonna make you the best house ever! Have you seen Oliver? I'm getting worried.
Please stop.
Next, we need some substrate. Pythons live in tropical environments, savannas, or jungles. Not bad, but it's still missing something. Exactly what I needed! Brother!
What's that?
By the way, if you're using natural materials, you have to wash them first. I've never done this before. I like it! This would go perfectly.
Can I go?
Just a sec. He brought exactly what I needed.
Who is she talking to?
Ready to move in?
I can't wait.
Welcome home. Do you like it?
Yeah, but I'm a little cold.
Oh no! I had no idea about heat lamps. Pythons need heat lamps for their health.
What am I meant to do with them?
What do you mean? Build them a house.
Why?
For our subscribers.
Our subscribers? I'm on it.
Okay.
Dear subscribers, we're building a water park for ducklings today.
That can be useful.
Oh no, you can keep that.
Aha!
This is the life of an influencer. Oh no, we forgot about the main thing. Wait here.
Aha!
Right in front of me. This is where our amazing water park will begin.
Wow.
We'll start with some grass.
Come on. Almost got it.
Safety first. Protect yourself from randos.
Are you sure I can't help you?
No, I can do it myself. Jade, I keep blowing, but nothing is happening.
Ask our subscribers for help.
You guys always save the day. That should be better.
Bro, that's not how it works.
What are you talking about?
Oh, wow.
This is brilliant. What do you think, babies?
Now what?
The Duckling's water park should be safe and comfy.
Ooh, I have an idea. Done. I want to set it up already.
Hey, Jade, what is this?
You call yourself an influencer? They're comments.
Oh, we forgot the main thing. Water, thanks.
The water park is ready.
Cool, thanks. This is so fun.
What animals are next up?
Next up, ferrets.
Done. What do we know about ferrets?
They're friendly, social, energetic, and really funny.
Really?
I'm almost ready.
Where'd you get the cage?
No time to explain. The ferrets are waiting.
Hold on. Where's...
I'll catch them. You build the maze.
What maze? Who knows how to put this together?
Here, this will help.
Okay, I have enough time. Isn't that simple?
Your turn. I'll build it. Okay, guys, we're almost ready.
Got him! Now let's set it up.
This goes here.
No, it should go there. Okay, guys, time to test our maze. Go for it, buddy. Now you're ferret.
Guys, like this video if you wish you had a maze like this.
Oliver, check off the ferrets.
Done. Next up, Tortoise.
Isn't she so cute?
I came prepared.
Great! I'll get her some food. Did you know that tortoises eat primarily carrots, leafy greens, and apples? Oliver, how's it going?
I think I got it.
We rock!
We? Actually, we're not done.
We can make it super pretty. That's better.
What's pretty about this?
The house will go right here.
What else do we need?
A fence right here. A water bowl right here. And some plants right here.
Let's go.
Me?
What?
You don't want to disappoint our followers, do you?
I'm done.
Wow. Like this video if you're proud of Oliver. Welcome to your new home.
Thank you both for everything.
Both?
What?
Don't forget about the lamp. This is a must-have.